Hello everyone, welcome to Brown Strings. My name is Henriette and today we're playing Circus Elephants. At least that's what it's called in my book. In some books I think it's now also called something like Great Big Elephants, but it's the same song. So I'll play it for you first. Goes. And you will have noticed, hopefully, that this piece is played entirely on the G string and on the D string. Now in this piece it's very important that you leave your bow on the string all the time throughout this piece. So once you have put your bow down on the string at the start, try not to take it off in between any notes until you've reached the very end. You may also know that we'll play all the minims with whole bows and all the crotchets with half bows. Now before we start, we're going to just test our first finger on G. Make sure your first finger sounds just like mine. Now lift it off your first finger and hover it just above that spot because we're going to start on the G string. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You may already have learned that when you play on the G string, your elbow, your bow hand elbow, is much higher than when you play on the D string. And I would like you to practice this with me. Let's put your bow down in the middle on the G string and then make sure your elbow is the same height as your string. Can you see that? My elbow is the same height as my string. And now I'm going to gently drop my elbow down until my bow has reached the D string. And up we go again. And let's just work out the fine detail of this piece. Look, my elbow is guiding my bow across the string. So in this whole piece, your elbow is in that range. Okay, let's play the whole piece again from the beginning, shall we? So, bring your hand right back, check your finger line, your thumb and your tennis ball. Let's test your first finger on the G string. Make sure your thumb is just peeking over the edge right there. Bring your elbow up nice and high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, what a lovely go. Now if you want to learn this piece properly, play it every day, 3 times over, and then by the end of the week you'll be so good at this you can nearly play it off by heart. So that's what you're aiming for. Good luck with your practice and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.